Hi guys, welcome to Gold Today. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our video with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Thursday, we will be waiting for the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims and the wholesale inventories for month of June. That's all from the United States, and that's all for the economic calendar. It's a light day, and we'll move on now to have a look at the numbers. On the last trading session, we have had a trading range from 1474 to 1510. Numbers are rounded and the market is still opened. Gold spot is expected to print a close price above 1497. It's actually most likely is going to print a close price above 1500. Gold is trading in a bull trend above its all daily simple moving averages, and what matters for us is the 20 days daily simple moving averages about 1434. Which is a very good point to enter the market. We are overbought on the weekly chart with a high reading 83 could force a correction. The support levels 1474 followed by 1463 and then 1456, and for the resistance levels it's 1500 followed by 1510 and then 1527. That's all for the numbers. We will be moving now to the trading strategy. Central banks around the world are easing their monetary policies. I'm sure you have heard me saying this so many times. The implications of this on us is that the money is going to get cheap. So, for the purchasing power of the money over time is going to get depreciated. If you shop weekly for $100, you are going to need $200 maybe to cover the same needs that you used to get it for $100 only. So how to mitigate yourself or how to protect yourself? The only way is to borrow the cheap money from the bank and buy physical gold to maintain the value of your money. Both gold and silver benefited today of a surprise that came out of the blue. Both India and New Zealand unexpectedly lowered interest rates. By the mid of the day, the 10 years bond yield fell below 1.6%, a level that we did not see in the last 30 years. And Trump surely capitalized on this event, and he asked the Fed clearly to lower the interest, to interfere in the market and lower the interest rates and to weaken the US dollar, clearly. And he said that he is not blaming China for the weak yuan, but he's blaming the Federal Reserve Bank for the ultra strong dollar. Now gold is overbought and the correction is overdue and has to happen or has to come sooner or sooner. So such an environment we do have right now is supporting both gold and silver prices to stay on the highs. By environment, I refer to the tensions between US and China, US and Iran, North Korea, the falling yields and the economy slowdown and other factors. But a technically market, when it's extremely overbought, it could suffer an unorganized profit taking and plus no sellers to feed on, so the buyers are going to feed on each other at a moment of the time. Technically, gold is trading in a bull trend above its all daily simple moving averages and above the trend line. 1450 is now for me the market floor, in my opinion. From there, I'll be buying again blindly. Even if the price falls, it will find tough support about 1435, then a tougher support about 1410. Again, in the coming few years, I don't see we are going to see such prices. 1527 spot or 1540 is the top of the market, and should be the last stop or where the gold is heading according to my analysis. So I am seller of that levels. However, We cannot actually tell how things are going to go into the market because we are now handling so many events that just pops up and it affects the prices of gold and silver. If it happened that you did lose some money during trading in the last couple of weeks, so many accounts, my friend, got wiped out and so many stop losses were triggered. Just have some faith and come back to the game. The market's about to show some volatility we have never seen in ages. And as I said, I'm for the gold. I'm a buyer about 1463, 56, 50, and lower, and I'm seller about 1527, 1550. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you tomorrow in another video.